قطر نے ورلڈ کپ تو خرید لیا مگر وفا نہیں خرید سکا. فٹ بال کا سیاہ چہرہ. قطر میں ہونے والے ورلڈ کپ نے فٹ بال کا بھیانک چہرہ عیاں کر دیا. یہ میں نہیں کہہ رہا, یہ تمام ہیڈ لائنز ہیں جو کہ مغربی میڈیا میں آپ کو اس ورلڈ کپ کے حوالے سے نظر آئی ہیں. میں اس وقت دوحہ کے میڈیا سینٹر میں موجود ہوں جہاں پر 1000 کے قریب جرنلسٹ صرف اس ورلڈ کپ کو کور کرنے کے لیے آئے ہیں. آئیے ان سے پوچھتے ہیں کہ ان کی کوریج کے اندر کیا انہوں نے اس کوریج کے دوران کیا یہی باتیں دیکھی ہیں یا نہیں. آئیے ان کے پاس چلتے ہیں.
It's true that there are a lot of critics, and many of them are true, are not like unjustified. But it's also true when they say every country has a sort of bias or violation. But since I came here, well, because we are covering the World Cup, we couldn't go around and see a lot. So as far as I saw, the situation is okay. As far as I know, it's a good World Cup. I mean, the organization is well organized. Only thing is the fun festival that they are not able to handle the supporters, the amount, the number. So that could be a problem.
I guess they are so unfair. That's my opinion, and I need to see that myself. Yeah, of course there is some phobia. Yes, I'm a Muslim too, and there is some phobia, of course.
It's a success story for Arab world. They think it is because they can be proud because it's the first time in Arab world. But globally, it's not a success story because all the West think that it shouldn't be happening here. It's not Islamophobia. Just like I said, it's not about your deep traditions. So you can have tradition, but you have to give a human rights to everyone.
It looks like they never accept them. They don't want them to organize the World Cup. So they finally got it, and they're not going to stop criticize them because that's the nature of the beast. They're still going after them no matter what. Doesn't matter if they have the best World Cup in history. They're still going to put finger at them. They're still going to find something wrong with them.